This video will teach you how to backup and restore configuration, how to upgrade firmware, and reset your Earthlink router to factory default. Go to Maintenance, Backup, and Restore. Click Backup. The backup file will be downloaded to the Downloads directory specified in your browser settings. Click Browse to choose the config file you need. Remember, the file is ended in .dat. Then, click Import. When it is finished, please open WebGUI using the IP address of the config file. Therefore, it's better to remember the IP address, username, and password related to the config file. Before upgrading, we suggest you backup the device running configuration. Go to Maintenance, Upgrade. If you want to reset the device after upgrading, you can check Reset Configuration to Factory Default. Next, click Browse to choose the new firmware. The file format should be .bin, and the file name should not have special characters. Then, click Upgrade. The entire upgrading will take around 8 minutes to complete. During the period, please do not power off the router. Here we are showing you 2 ways to reset your router to factory default. Resetting your device via WebGUI or via hardware. First, go to Maintenance, Backup and Restore. Click Reset. The window will pop up to remind you that if you really want to reset the device, click Reset to confirm. After around 1 minute, you can use the default IP address, default username, and password to log in again. Second, see this reset button on the front panel? Just long press it for at least 15 seconds and wait for the green light to blink rapidly. Then the resetting is done. Again, you can use the default IP address, default username, and password to log in WebGUI. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please contact us. See you next time.